day 3 of opening the 13-day countdown dog and cat toys. We are going to open day 3 for Sky really quick. What'd you get, Sky? What is day 3 going to hold for us? Cute. Oh, don't leave. Hold on, Sky. The little jingle ball. Little jingle ball. She left. She's being camera shy today. Come here, Sky. Come get your toy. Come back, come back, come back. Come over here, kitty, 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 kitty. She's still wearing number 1's little collar. That's not yours. That is the kitty's. We'll get to your toy here in a second. Yes, I am wearing the same thing I wore in yesterday's bonus vlog because we're batch recording to get ahead a little bit since we're going to be out of town. All right, so now we need day 3. Which one is day 3? That's a good question. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. Oh, sorry, Sky. Or Shorty. I'm sorry. I just called you Sky. This thing is all in pieces now. Number 3 is this. And we have to read it. Gosh, I have bones everywhere. Number 3. 3 nights to Halloween. Graveyard whispers low, tossing my body parts where only shadows go. Hold on a second. It looks like we could tuck in this Velcro. Okay, and does this tuck in as well? I just now realized that they tuck in when they're not all attached to each other. That's kind of brilliant. Okay. All right, you got another toy. Let me see your other 2. Oh, this one doesn't tuck in, but it doesn't have the scratchy part of the Velcro, so that's good. But this one, day 1's, we could tuck in. Yeah. Oh, that's so much better. I'm really surprised you haven't destroyed these yet. You're just overwhelmed with skeleton body parts. All right. These are for later, some other day. You see your ball? You got your ball and your other toy? Yeah, okay. Sky. Can you guys see Sky back here? Make sure she's in the video too. All right, that's it for day 3. We'll see you again tomorrow for another day.